What's up, guys? Welcome back to Grunt Nation. Today, what I have for you, as you can see, is a Ruger. Let's go ahead and open them up. So what I have here is the Ruger Super Red Hawk 44 Magnum. This is a frickin' beast. This is made with all stainless steel. This is a really beefy gun. Definitely the biggest pistol I've ever had. This is a double action, which means you can pull the hammer back, fire, or you can just pull the trigger. Bang, bang. The trigger's it's got a heavy pull to it. And when you cock the hammer back, the trigger is very, very light compared to the full squeeze. This is a very heavy gun overall. It's just a bunch of metal. Yeah, the cylinder is huge. Here's the ejection rod. The grip, I think the grip's pretty interesting. It's got wood and rubber surrounding the wood. So, I mean, it kind of helps it when you got wet hands or sweaty hands. Just being able to keep that grip nice and tight. I do like the darker color wood on it. Kind of gives it like a little character. Overall, I think it's very nice. I know that Ruger is known for their quality, and I know people go back and forth with, I prefer a Smith & Wesson over a Ruger, but I mean, it's whatever you like. I think they're both very good guns, and with the amount of stainless steel they put in their revolvers, they're definitely made to last. One thing about these higher caliber revolvers and pistols, a lot of people don't know, but there's a big number of people out there who actually go hunting with these. And as you can see, there's scope divots in there where you can mount your scope. And then you just get yourself, I mean, if you're steady-handed, you just go out there like that. Or a lot of people get a bipod, mount it up, just sit there, and then they'll take their shot. Because that 44 Magnum has got a lot of stopping power. Overall, I definitely like it. The longer barrel kind of gives it a different look, although I could definitely see the pistol looking like that. And maybe next one I'll get one like that. But yeah, the sights are adjustable. Sights are actually pretty nice. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, that is the Ruger Super Red Hawk for you. A freaking beast. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to continue seeing content like this, and I'll see you guys next time.